Today we're gonna be replacing the front brake pads on this 1995 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, I took the wheel out already, and to release the caliper we have two bolts. We have two bolts at the back, as you can see, this one, and there's another one at the bottom here. They are both 13 millimeter, and we're gonna need a 13 millimeter ring end to release it. That one right here, so we're gonna start loosening this up. So that's one, and then we're gonna get the bottom one here. Okay. Alright, this one is out. So you're gonna pop the caliper out with this big screwdriver. We'll try popping it from here, and then we'll do the bottom end. Try arcing it both ways. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's out, and you'll want to secure the caliper. You don't want to have it dangling down to damage the line. So we're gonna try to secure it the best we can right here, like so. Still got a lot of brakes there, but I already replaced the back one, so I'm going to replace this one as well. Okay. So we're going to take these out. Okay. And this one I'm going to leave it there because I'm going to use the G clamp to press back the piston. I'm gonna press back this piston with the G clamp. So in a caliper, it's gonna take a little effort. Okay, so I'm gonna continue pushing this back in. Almost there. Okay, that's it. Release. Street clamp. Okay. These are really nice. Okay, so we're gonna take this old one out and start putting in the new ones. I'm gonna clip this bad boy in there like that. There we go. And put in the new one, the next side. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. So we're gonna install it back here to make sure and line up everything right. Push these back.